Can you sing 3 Travis Scott songs?
Okay, I'm rolling.
Yeah.
I'm rolling.
All right,
I'm
one.
rolling.
Kylie Jenner.
Shut up, man. What's that song
I say you know them people
with
that-
Drake?
I say you know them people that flop on food challenge.
What's the song with Drake? What's the song with
You know,
Drake?
you-
What's that?
Alright, what's up YouTube? Welcome to another DBS exclusive. No, as I said last week that I'm talking to people, friends, just to try to talk about film journey, and it just so happens that one of my friends is actually a YouTuber, one of the most popular YouTubers in Jamaica, one of the persons who has revitalized and re-energized pranking in the Caribbean space. Iheartmanii. Bless and thanks for finally forwarding. He's actually one of the first persons who I reached out to, who made me have the idea to start to interview creators. But he just didn't kind of grow on me, and finally, it took how much months, and everybody else,
schedule for you, you know.
everybody else, every Nitro Razor Blade, everybody else, and you were the first person. You were the person who probably get the idea from for this video series. How you doing?
There, man. Beard and thing. Feel refreshed.
You say like the first time you made it in 2020.
Yo, you can't expose me, you know.
Yeah.
You don't know.
But yeah, first up, me I forgot to say congratulations on attaining 50,000 subscribers on YouTube. That's a major accomplishment. I'm sure you probably feel proud of yourself.
I mean,
I know you want to reach 100k, but come on, you're most proud of yourself.
100k, to be honest,
Yeah.
I want more than like 50. Like, yeah, I'm proud, yeah, but I want more. I always want more.
You're an overachiever.
Yeah, I don't want to sound too sorry, guys, but it's the truth. I need more.
Today, we do a prank. What the Kyle money there? Where Kyle money there?
Wait.
Today we drop this in the public. Come closer, come closer. Look, a newspaper. But look like a Kyle money. So what I gonna do? We're gonna just drop it in the public and walk away. And we're gonna see who take it up.
Yeah.
But who is Iheartmanii? What your actual name?
My name Kymani White. You tell me your name?
No, it's what you mean the name though, from kind of fast. But yeah, who is Kymani, like, you know, where you grew up, like, just the whole entire time, how you define yourself?
Alright, so who is Kymani?
Mm-hmm.
Jano, dog. Sorry.
It kind of like a simple thing, like, you know, Kymani is a 21-year-old.
Kymani is a youth, you see me?
A 21-year-old
A
youth.
21-year-old youth
Mm-hmm.
where just a live,
Mm-hmm.
just a walk. If nothing, go through just a sparks, something spark, you know, the alkaline.
I want some coming knowing me and look at me and say, well, why this so familiar?
Yeah, well, you don't know, like, I just a jovial youth where I'm just there.
Yeah.
You can understand. You understand that?
I kinda get it, but I'm gonna break it down. Like, actually, I met you before. Did you start when we did meet at the time? I booked you up. I think I did you and your girl in half a tree.
Oh, Rushing, you know? Oh, that's supposed to say a name like that?
Yeah, so Duttyberry. Okay. But yeah, something else like when I did I booked you up like the first time, you hadn't started YouTube video. And so, who were you then? Like, what were you doing before you got into the whole YouTube space?
Nothing.
Yeah, you're like, you know, on top.
I was just there.
I heard that you were one a gallus. I'm here, you're the mischievous.
Who told you that?
Who is it?
Who is it? Who is it? Who is it? Who is it?
We hear say you used to get girl like crazy. We hear say you used to get girl like crazy. I'm just saying that's what I heard. It's just what I heard. So I lie me like.
Who tell that?
Huh?
Who tell that?
People.
Okay, so I used to be a guy that go around talking to other girls.
Yeah.
But I'm a man of God now. And I don't do any of those anymore.
Strike. We don't want to let it know come strike.
Alright, no, listen. Listen.
No, but it's okay to say that you were a ladies' man back in the day and you used to just like, you know, girly do want you talk to a lot of girls and that's just it, that's okay. I mean, I'm gonna go as far as to say, yo, you were a whore, but you know, like, that was your past,
My girlfriend is going to watch this.
I'm sure your girlfriend know exactly the history where you're going with. Big up yourself, Italy. So talk to me about the mischievous side now. Like, you went to Camperdown High School, you say you were also like a troublemaker. Like, was it just like your way to kind of...
Let me tell you about my first prank. My first prank, it wasn't recorded or nothing. People think that the first prank is the old ones on my YouTube channel. My first prank was it's like a bomb.
Wait, you were doing it? Where did you do this prank? Not at the airport?
So, boom, bang, 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 boom. No, let me tell you. So, you have a toilet cleaner when you works toilet cleaner. Now, this toilet cleaner, when you mix it with foil paper, it create gas. Now, if you put that in an enclosed area and it make it go create gas, it go swell the container and bust. You see me? Now, I see it on YouTube and I try it in one buckle and I shake it up and nothing never did that. I'm like, what the shit is this, man? And then I just feel my hand start swell like this. You see me? So I just throw it outside, my ear and it like explode and it get in my face. And anyway, find out it work. Can't go to school now. And I tell the track you.
In which farm this? Which farm were
you? In grade 9.
Oh, grade 9. Wow.
Yeah, I go
Camperdown. Upper school, yeah.
Camperdown, man, them, you see. Them probably not even remember me. I don't know. But boom, bang, 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 boom, no. So I can't go to school. I'm going to tell the man them, say, yo.
And what was their reaction?
Man, them say, man, I lie, I tell, dog. Ray. I say, alright. I'm jaw for the works now. I'm jaw for the file paper and do the same thing and shake it up. I'm have it in my hand.
Yeah.
And the man them then say, man, what kind of garbage this? When they see them walk up, my hand start so again. Shh. We just throw it outside. Cause if you know Camperdown, the 9th grade block is the upstairs. So I throw it downstairs.
Like down where the field would have there?
No, not the field.
Oh, okay.
They would have like where you keep devotion.
Okay.
Throw it downstairs, land on the ground, you only hear pow. It's like when the bus is like me stop the school, like everybody freeze.
So it well loud and everybody just realize how we're going.
It loud, brother. Everybody come out of them class and I look at what going on and
would you do that though? Why, Manny? Why? What flare play and they just like, yo, maybe just do this. I have to do it.
You think I attention with the life? I don't know.
Okay, I know you're on YouTube, but anyway, you got in trouble because of that, right? You can't even say
that. Alright, so the two girls they want to inform for me, but the football boy they must say, yo, don't inform for him. So he kinda give me a little stripe.
Yeah.
So exam time now. Nobody never know who bust the bomb, but like it make people run out of them class and all that. Exam time now, me get a bigger buckle. You know the 2 liter buckle?
Yeah.
I'm gonna put a whole heap of words in it. Whole heap of file paper. You know, it's a recipe for destruction that you carry it on the football field. And all I know is when I'm a friend them, as I lock the buckle and put in ingredients and lock the buckle, but my friend them say, man, no, too much of that. But just, it's, you know the movie there when the man them plant the bomb and walk around it and the explosion in the back of it. I want that me doing it. So put on the buckle and I'm just walking. You only hear, boom! Everybody on the football field goes up and look around. And just start run. So the football field is full up, a penny. Just imagine 500 penny. Everybody, that's how loud the bomb was.
Yeah.
Everybody start run. You see me? And then me just start walk now because me afraid to suppose them know see me. Me afraid to. And then like me walk around at the 11th grade block.
Yeah.
Go towards the gate and the security guard grab me. I say, hey boy, are you just busted a while ago? And him looking at my pocket and me did have one buckle of the works.
Oh, same get for said.
Hold on, so when him see the works, me that try use my brain. Me that have on a clocks. And me I say, yo, leg off for this. I use and clean my clocks.
Yeah.
But the man say, alright, stay some. I go for the principal. You walk down for the principal. Who tell him to go do that? I go to my yard in it.
Wait, so you say, have you leave it and then turn up one place?
Yeah,
I think you probably hold your part of somebody outside.
Hey, I go for my bag and run go my yard. And then next day,
Yeah.
I go to school, the same security guard hold on for me.
Mm-hmm.
And then this time he carry me to the principal and say, see me. And them say, okay, it's you bust the dry ice bomb. No, they don't know it's why. Them say it's dry ice and whatever. Now them are gonna know. If them watch that video, I mean it bust the bomb.
Oh, finally I face up. Why
Yeah,
have you
but hold on. But up till now, like,
Mm-hmm.
me dey in at the principal office for 1 week straight. Every time I go to school, them put me in the office and interrogate me. Like, them I say, we know it's you bust the bomb and we know it's you mix this and that. Like, they weren't sure, but them I try make me confess. And me did rock solid in them, man. Me not shaking them, man. Yeah, man, I stay so firm, brother, me no move. And then them finally release me. So about after 1 week and them have me in the office every time I go to school. Them release me and yeah, that was that.
So you were that type of kid, that mischievous kid, in high school. And when you think like, why was that important? Like, me think like, yo, why? You know, but even though I understand, so everybody in high school, you have the athletes, them, you have the geeks, them, you have the artistic people, them, and you have the quiet one, them, and I guess you had the ones who were like the class clowns and the ones them who just go on with
I
the
think
antics.
I was the class clown.
So like, so you never felt like, you know, there was a reason why you did that? Because you said earlier something about attention. It was like just it, like
I don't even know I don't even know what to explain it. You see, nobody never asked me these questions before, so I never really thought about it.
Yeah.
Like, oh, you're meds in it right now. But probably it's deeper than that. Maybe it's
I think it is. I really feel it is.
Something me have to tackle. I don't know.
Yeah. I don't know if you're cool like talking, but like I hope you're cool like, you know, talking about this other part, because I heard that, you know, you served some time, someplace like
I did. I got locked up once.
What age were you when you got locked up? And like
I was 17.
17. What was it really about? If you may like kind of briefly mention a little.
What happened was I start part with bad company.
So yeah.
Oh yeah. I start part with bad company. And where I was with my aunt, I stayed with my aunt, and my aunt, like, Jano, I love your auntie, but you're mad in your head, you see me? And I love her with all my heart, but she's crazy. I'm telling you the truth. Like, she have padlocks on her fridge. She have padlocks on her cupboards.
Oh wow.
She have padlocks. She have padlocks on the bathroom door. So she would tell me to bathe outside. And like, if I'm thirsty, it would be help to get some water. And that lady would literally only give me food once a day, right? And on Fridays, she don't cook. I'm getting to the point where I got locked up, you know.
And this is all when you were around 16, 17?
17. So, my auntie mad in her head, she not feed me, and me not no money, whatever. And I did have this cell phone, long story short, the phone got mash up. So I say, oh shit, you see me? So I decide say, oh, me broke and hungry. I go up on the road, go thief a phone. I never a thief in my life, you know. I never a thief in my life. You see me? I say, I'm gonna go up on the road and steal a phone. Yeah, so I grabbed this lady phone and I grabbed this lady phone. I'm run, and then I don't know if a plane calls police, but then a New Kingston, you know. I didn't even know that there was a fucking police station. There's a police station in New Kingston, you know.
Yeah,
That's where I grabbed the phone, you know.
I don't want to laugh. I don't want to laugh. I honestly don't want to laugh because everybody know that station right across from the gas station.
You never know. But anyways, this is like this is a long time. Anyway, so the man them chase me to what's the park?
Emancipation Park.
Man them chase me to Emancipation Park.
These are the police, right?
We don't have a police, but 4 of them and the man them chase me, brother. You see me and them grab me. And them did beat some sense in me. And the policeman them step in my head and jump in my head and use them shoes heel and rub on my ears and it was an experience and I was in handcuffs the whole day. First me a thief, you know. First in my life I'm gonna get locked up. Can you imagine?
I'm actually very glad that it happened.
No.
In terms of because I don't know if you had continued, like you probably wouldn't be here right now. So on that so you were locked up and for like how long was that?
I was locked up for 2 weeks. About 2 weeks, sorry. I was locked up for 2 months, 3 weeks, and 5 days.
2 months.
3 weeks and 5 days.
So during that time,
people say it's 3 months, but I tell them the exact time.
So during that time, like what was going through your head? Like, you know, like what questions you were asking yourself and trying to, such as? I mean, I understand, like, yo, 17. You were just out high school at the time?
Yeah.
Yeah. So it was right after high school, I guess. Like, you shot after high school. And,
about that.
Oh. So like, what was going through your head at the time there?
One got me hard.
Yeah. Did you get like, what was the response from your family? Like, come imagine something like that happened. Like, how did they react?
Like, I guess, like when you're in there, it's not like you can talk to them. You see me? Like, I was allowed visits.
Yeah.
My mother came. At first, I didn't want to see her. Sorry.
Yeah.
My mother came. At first, I didn't want to see her. But, you know, the 3rd time she came and then we spoke, and that's how we end up build back our relationship. I had to get myself into a situation to talk back to my mother. This is just crazy. It's a whole heap of stuff, brother. Like, my life be like, ooh.
I mean, I pick up because I said from the first time I think I book you up like somewhere in a half a tree as me just mentioned earlier, and it was just saying, you know, like buck up and just a picture and stuff, and then afterwards, like ever since you just always see me and just like heal. So you always like show support. I mean, like, yo, so when I find out, so like, yo, you're doing the YouTube thing and stuff like that, and may I hear 1 and 2 pieces, I mean, I say, yo, who were you before YouTube? And when you tell me, so like, yo, you did live life, and you experienced a lot, I couldn't understand. So even you did briefly mention to me, you know, through talking, say, yo, you did there jail for a bit. I never really know the whole story, so the first may hear it. And it's like, now may I get a greater understanding, because as much as Mr. say you laugh and you're jovial, I always just like pick up, say, yo, you have a dark side to you, like you have a past or history or whatever. And most of the time, the good thing that I really appreciate is that you don't have no problem venting, like you understand the importance of like, yo, reason and talk about things so you don't really have too much. Buckle up and like...
Yeah, man, keep you sane, man.
Well, that's it, burritos. We've come to the end of part 1 of my DBS exclusive interview with Iheartmanii. Stay tuned to the page next week where I'll show you part 2 of the interview. If you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up, to leave a like, to leave a comment, and to subscribe to the page if you're new. Take care until next time.
Because one time I was in a really dark space, you know, man. Like, it's only one time. Like, it's so stupid and I'll never do it again. I took a knife and I cut my hand. Because I was like, oh, I'm tired of life. Like, I was in a really dark space.